As Kashmir gets ready to connect with the rest of the country via train, Kashmir Police is concluding mock drills to check the preparedness in case of terror attacks. Kulgaon Police, along with the CRPF, conducted a mock drill in snow at railway station to assess the preparedness of the forces to respond quickly and effectively to potential threats from anti-national and terror elements. The Kashmir Valley will be connected with the rest of India in a few weeks from now. And to foil any terror threats, forces are jointly checking their preparedness to such eventualities. CNN News 18 gets you this ground report. Let's take a look.
So as the mock drill is being done, I'll show you the use of advanced weapons that are available with the security forces. You will see this weapon called the corner shot that the CRPF security is displaying here, that how they're able to deal with the situation. See, it moves to the corner if there is an enemy which is hiding behind the wall, and without any damage to their personal safety, and to ensure that there's personal safety, this corner shot helps them eliminate any such adversary well on time. This is the capabilities that the CRPF security and other forces have to ensure that they're able to eliminate any threat. These are the part of the capabilities that the forces have been able to get, and the boost that has been done to security forces. And you will see that the positions have been taken. They have all the gadgets to ensure that any such threat is foiled in Kashmir Valley. This is for the first time that the railway will get connected to Kashmir, and that's why security has to be on an alert. You will see here today a mock drill by J&K Police's Special Operation Group is being conducted here at the Kazigund railway station, where the Jawans of Jammu and Kashmir Police, you see, are taking positions because two militants have gone inside. That's why Kulgaon Police is carrying out these drills to ensure the safety. This is the Kazigund railway station. You will notice here that they have taken their positions, and more policemen, including the CRPF security team, are surrounding this entire parameter to ensure that the drills are intact, and they want to check the response time of the joint security forces. This is being done to ensure that security forces respond very effectively to any threat, because there have been threats by these outfits, and to eliminate any such threat, drills like these by the SOG personnel of J&K Police and other security forces is being done. This is essentially to showcase the capability of J&K Police. You will see that one of them has been killed here, and the injured are being taken care of. And now you will also notice that J&K Police is doing room intervention because room intervention is important formation of the J&K Police, and this is somewhere because of these structures having closed rooms. That's why the room intervention is being done to ensure that the security forces foil any such nefarious plan, and to ensure that anyone who is here inside the building or has taken a shelter, they are taken care of. You will see also fire and emergency service of this joint security drill, and to ensure that they're able to extinguish any fire, or if any structure catches any fire, they're able to extinguish it well on time, and to ensure that forces are prepared to deal with any eventuality.